Welcome to Cozy Country Living, where nature is only a short distance from the highway, giving you access to modern-day amenities. The property, which is about 3/4 of an acre, has many large mature fruit trees, but there is plenty more room for planting fruit trees, growing a herb garden or vegetable gardens, and just being self-sustainable. To start, this building is a spacious screened-in room with a kitchen sink, perfect for entertaining or outdoor dining. Next up, we have this blank canvas room, which could be a guest room or a man cave. Moving on, we have the utility room or a tool building. Finally, the main home, which consists of a cozy kitchen and a living room area, a closet, a spacious bedroom, and a bathroom. In addition, you have this good-sized veranda, which is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing throughout the day. In addition to the other buildings, there is this last building, which is located at the entrance of the property and is a full bathroom. As always, if you have any questions about this property, feel free to reach out to me. I am always here to help.